Hello, welcome. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 2. Number 1. Put the tick mark on the correct answer. Here number 1. 12 minus 7 into 2 minus 2. Answer B 8. Number 2. How many notes of 50 taka make 2000 taka? Answer D 40 notes. C. Jamil bought 4 pen for 32 taka. How much money will be need to buy 15 pens? Answer C 120 taka. 4. The price of 1 dozen pencil is 48 taka. What is the price of 8 pencils? Answer D 32 taka. Number 5. 364 mangoes are equally distributed among mangoes 15 people. How many will remain? Answer A 4. The mother S is 3 times of daughter S. The daughter is 15 years old. What will be mother S after 10 years? 55 years. Answer C. Number 7. Which is the following symbol will not blank of the mathematical sentence? Less than. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of an open sentence? Answer B. Thank you.